Hi, I'm Emilou Nunez. I'm from the Philippines. Yes, I came here with empty. I think I'm gonna go back to the Philippines with a lot of realizations, and I'm gonna be taking a lot of everything what I learned in the last 12 days with myself and everything that I've learned here. They taught me. I think it's not discovering myself, but it's more of realizing what I have, and the experience really gave me reason. I continue to live enthusiastic every day, and it's like a reset. This whole experience is like a reset to me. Like, this is how you should live, and it's sometimes you forget with the busyness in the world and your work, but coming here, it just reminded me the things that should be given attention to, especially like how to be better every day. Yes, very much. And this whole experience, the villa, the training, it's really memorable, and I'm taking everything back home, and I'm gonna continue how to live this way. It's such an experience. I appreciate everyone who maintained the villa, who cook food daily, and everyone who helped with our group, when we do training. Everyone, I really appreciate the things they do for making our stay here comfortable. Training is not comfortable, but with those guys, you guys, you made our stay, our training, it complemented the hard things we do for self-discovery. My message to Coach, of course, thank you. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and the thing you do, this craft that you do for a lot of people is very inspiring, and it takes a lot, to really coach, to help people with different backgrounds, different issues, but you are giving yourself away to each and everyone, and that's really hard, but you're building a better world, one client at a time. And my message to everyone who is interested, wants to discover themselves, who has issues or perhaps struggling in life, that you want to pause back and reflect on themselves, this whole training, the Camino Can, will be a great help. I know one thing, you will really learn something from here. Maybe you will discover more about yourself, and it is important that we have, I think, someone who will guide us and who will help us to become the most potential that we are. But this is a continuous journey. It does not really happen, after. You need to really push yourself, that you want to live every day of your life becoming the best version of yourself. So Camino Can has given me that realization that I'm taking with me back home in the Philippines. Thank you.